This is intelligent tree. This is for the children around 3 years old plus to play, and this is for them to learn the shape and color. So in the box they're giving you 20 question cards, same as something like this, and also a block. So how we using this? For example, now I start with this card. So we need to put all the shapes same as the card. For example, like this. And then the green color triangle, and then we need to put the blue color square and yellow blue color rectangle and yellow square here. So blue color square and yellow color rectangle, red color circle and green color circle here. And then let's say is a green color square, blue circle, yellow triangle. So like this, and the last is the red color triangle, yellow color circle and red color square. So we just put like this. So this the ways to playing